Kaboom!
If you believe in yourself, you believe in yourself. Lazytown here in Lazytown.
Robbie's drinking game.
Ah, there you are, Miss Busybody. I hope you like this better than the lime surprise.
But there wasn't any lime in it.
That was the surprise.
The trap is ready. Now it just needs Sportaloo and a...
Milford, what I'd really like is a nice, juicy lime to go with the lime.
Oh, yes, of course. Right away, Miss Body. Busy.
Looks like he's gonna be set.
Milford?
I'm looking, Miss Busybody.
Looks like he's gonna be set.
Maybe there's something over here. Now, where can I find those limes?
You're right. Uncle Milford! Oh, sorry, Uncle Milford. We didn't mean to startle you, but we're in the Lazytown spot.
Yes.
And we
Yes.
can get you whatever
Yes.
you need.
Yes.
Oh, wonderful.
Yes.
Miss Body Busy just asked me to find some nice, juicy limes. You think you could find some?
Yes.
Come on.
Spongy!
Ah, those limes, always so helpful.
Agent Pink, do you have eyes on... Yes. Apples.
Quick, hide.
Hide from what? What is it?
Set!
I see Robbie pulling a... Uncle Milford! Up in a tree.
Ah, yes. I wonder what he's up to.
A tree. And now he's digging a hole.
Yes.
And now he's carrying a bunch of branches and leaves.
A cage. Agent Pink, he's up to something.
A tree. Come on, Agent Mind. Let's investigate.
Yes.
Perfect. Sportaloo will come flipping up. I will release the cage and trap him.
Robbie.
Robbie?
I'm not here.
But we can hear you.
No,
Yes. Yeah, and we saw you earlier.
it's not me. It's not Sportaloo.
So, Robbie,
Hi.
what are you doing?
Me? Nothing.
Well, what about this cage?
What?
The cage.
Oh! I'm trying to catch Sportaloo, the biggest invisible bird in the world.
Do you need some help?
No,
And if we help you, the work will go faster. 3 are better than 1. Yes.
no.